My name is Lars Christian Tidemann. I'm a master watchmaker and the watch expert at Blomqvist auctions. We are very excited to have this masterpiece from Patek Philippe that belonged to Roald Amundsen. It's a silver pocket watch with a second hand and a power reserve hand indicator. Inside the movement, it's a Swiss lever escapement with a swan neck micro adjustment regulation. It has 20 jewels and it says extra on the movement. And the extra means that it's adjusted in the five different positions, but also adjusted for heat, cold and isochronism. And inside the back case, it's engraved awarded third prize, Geneva Astronomical Observatory, timing contest 1919 to 1920. The watch is in perfect condition and it runs perfectly.
My name is Ton Schöning. I work here as an expert on weapons and silver and particularly objects of any historical importance. It is indeed a beautiful little piece of machinery, but the more important thing is the history of the timepiece. It is a regulated chronometer, precise enough to be navigated with. And that was how it was used by Roald Amundsen, the polar explorer, on his Maud expedition between 1918 and 1923. This timepiece has been passed directly from Roald Amundsen, the explorer, and his dog sleds, to his brother, and then his nephew, and then his nephew's daughter, his grandniece, Anne-Kristine Amundsen. Anne-Kristine Amundsen Jacobsen wrote a letter of authenticity in 1997, where she writes in Norwegian that it is by this confirmed that this Patek Philippe timepiece has belonged to Roald Amundsen and was used as a sleigh chronometer, that is on the dog sleds, on the Maud expedition between 1918 and 1923. And then she explains how she inherited it through her grandfather and father and then to her. So that's the really important aspect of this watch. It is a piece of polar history and Norwegian history and indeed horological history. A very unique Patek Philippe watch.